Welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Vechain continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out on the charts, you can see that Vechain on 11th of September gave us a low at around the $0.1467 mark before we saw this massive bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the $0.1845 mark in the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after seeing the formation of that first wave to the upside, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 to the lower side, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I get a minimum target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.01658 mark and the $0.01609 mark, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And you can see that we have managed to get some wicks into the target area, suggesting that there are chances that we could have a low in place for the second wave, and maybe in the next coming hours we can continue gearing up and get impulsive in the formation of that wave 3. Alternatively, since we didn't fully maximize the target area, there are chances that in case Vechain continues to see further weakness in the next coming hours, we might see another week or maybe a low, one more new low within this blue target area, get a low in place for the second wave before we can expect the fib level 0.618 bounce to the upper side and start another move in what we can term as the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. So here on the Vechain chart, in case further weakness continues in the next coming hours, using the Fibonacci's, we need to watch the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $0.01655 mark and the $0.01543 mark. That is the next target area to keep our eyes on. Vechain on the long term continues to remain bullish, and jumping to the daily chart to give you my long term Elliot wave analysis. Here on the Vechain chart, you can see that back in 2020 we saw that low down there before we saw that massive bounce taking us to all-time highs above the $0.28 mark in what I'm terming as the formation of that wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started a bear market where we have been correcting to the lower side in this ABC corrective structure, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave, and Vechain can continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, then get a wave 4 and then a wave 5 once the bull market starts. And these movements to the upper side should also take us to all-time highs, and that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the Vechain chart on the long term and also on the short term. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.